Okay, so one of the things I was working on this week when I realized that Arduino really wasn't my thing and I've kind of given up on my Udemy course was just to go onto YouTube to see what I can find, see if I could start making something cool. First thing I found is this Twitter bot right here. And what we had to do is we had to import some of these, I believe they're modules, and that is something that I've struggled with. I've had to do it a couple times now, but just trying to find the right place in the computer to do that, I found a little bit tricky. I'm going to talk through my code a little bit. Now I'm going to explain what it does. So in here, I have to I've just kind of in here, I believe I've just declared my username and password in there. This part here, I really understand how this piece here works. So we are taking our bot and we are going to get our bot to go to twitter.com. Once it gets to twitter.com, it's going to sleep. This piece here is what finds where I put the email on the screen. In this part here, again, where I put my password in. It's going to make sure that the email is clear, the password is clear, and then it's going to enter my username and it's going to enter my password. It's going to hit enter, so I sign in, and then it's going to sleep for 3 seconds. This piece here I have really struggled with, and what this was supposed to do was it was supposed to send me to our hashtag, so I had it set up to send us to our ECNI 831, and it was going to go in and like some tweets. I'm still working on that part. I haven't quite figured it out. And I think just because it's kind of this stuff here, this part here is actually, I'll show you what it does, but it'll scroll in the window. And then this piece here is supposed to find the tweets. It's supposed to, each tweet has a link, so it's supposed to go in and find the link. And yeah, and so down here is supposed to find the heart animation and click. So again, you can probably tell I'm not completely understanding this piece, and it shows because I still haven't figured that out. I'm just going to pause the video for a second so I can put in my username and password here, and I'll show you what happens when I run my code. Okay, so now when I run my code, what it is going to do is it is going to open up a Firefox window. It's going to search for Twitter, and you'll see it'll fill in my username and then my password. It'll log in. It's going to search for ECNI 831 up here. And then it should scroll down here in a moment as well. Here we go. And so then it scrolls down as well. So even though I haven't figured out how to get it to like all your awesome posts, what I have learned through this is the ability to go in and search for websites. So I could go in and I could type any website in here. So I could type in google.ca. And what it would do is it'll go run. This code isn't going to work. It might be able to get us to Google here, but obviously it can't enter a password or anything. So that is a really cool thing that I learned, just how to even pull up websites and scroll down on the screen. And so even though my code isn't working, hopefully I can debug it. I think that was a successful learning experience for this week.